Oh, baby. Dun, dun, dun. All right, so one of the things you have to do once you get out of the bag is take all these blue tapes off, okay? So definitely take your safety tapes. So safety tape here. Here we go. There's the cover. Look at that. Boom. They come off so easy. It's just there for shipping and making sure everything doesn't move during shipping. They come off so easy. This is important. When you're taking off this one, make sure you lift it, okay? And just pull away. And see that? It's going to pull away a spacer right here. You see that? I'm going to pull it out. There it goes. There you go. And then you're all set. From that point, you close it back up. Good to go. To get this one out, you just have to lift this piece here. There's a switch right here. Boom. That's for your Ethernet and your printer cable that's going to connect to your computer. Okay? And you just simply put this right back in, and it clips right back into place. I got one back one here that I forgot. And don't forget this one right here. Now, these is what I call the Joel tabs right here. These little Joel tabs. Boom. You're all set. Okay? Now, if you get the bypass tray, this is how the actual bypass tray connects. So you would take this down. The actual bypass tray comes with additional connectors, and you would connect the bypass tray to this. So in this particular printer, we're not actually using a bypass tray, but we're going to be good. So keep going. We'll just keep going with this, and we'll just leave this alone here. Includes the unboxing of the Sawgrass SG1000 VersiFlex system. In the box, I got all the inks that I needed. I also got myself the VersiFlex light film so I can get started right away. The one thing that you're going to notice if you've already owned an SG1000 or any other Sawgrass is the black is being replaced with this expander kit. This is the secret sauce that allows you to do VersiFlex systems. Now, do not be confused. Do not try to get these inks and put it in your existing systems because you will damage your systems. These inks are specifically made to work with each other. It will not work with others, and you're going to wind up damaging your systems, and we definitely don't want to do that. Sawgrass has gone out and made sure that you have everything you need with a new system. Now, you will still be able to do with all of this, all of your sublimation products that you've always done. So acrylic, metal, wood, glass, ceramic. But now the VersiFlex allows you to do something else. So I call it the 2.0. Allows you to go ahead and do uncoated wood, uncoated ceramic, cotton, and so much more. And that's what we plan on doing here at the lab. we're going to wind up testing all of different substrates and seeing what works, what doesn't work, and seeing how else we can actually really expand this product. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to set this thing up. If you need help in setting it up, be sure to check out the tutorials on Sawgrass because they will walk you through the entire thing. There is no difference in setting it up. It's just the unboxing that I wanted to make sure that everybody saw because it's important. So, enjoy, have fun. Let's go VersiFlex something.